Good morning, sir.
Good morning, students. How are you?
Good morning,
Sir, I am
sir.
fine.
Good morning, students. Good morning to all of
Morning,
you.
sir.
Let us see, students. We have studied about male reproductive system, female reproductive system, asexual mode of reproduction. Only one topic is remain which you have to study, that is the reproductive health. Today we will study about the reproductive health. Today we have to study about reproductive health. That what is reproductive health? We have to study about reproductive health today. We can say बहुत कम बच्चे जुड़े हैं. Let the students be joined. After that we will start. If there is any problem in any topic, then you can ask students. Faisal 786. First upper, change your symbol. Otherwise, you will be removed for a year. Change as soon as possible. जितना जल्दी हो सकता है अपने आप को चेंज करो. ये 786 और 820. What does it mean? Faisal Karim, if you will not do, then I am going to remove you. Because there is no any other option. Many times you all are asked to mention
नैब
your.
लिखा है.
ये नायब कौन है जी? नायब. Change your name. Otherwise, you will be removed. There is no any option. Let us see, students. Today we will study about the reproductive health. First of all, we have to know that what is reproductive health.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. As you have studied that there is a requirement of proper health due to which anyone can survive very easily without any disturbance. But in case of reproductive health, we have studied that there is development of secondary sexual characteristics at the age of adolescence during puberty stage, in case of male as well as in case of female. We have discussed that during the secondary sexual characteristics, development of secondary sexual characteristics, there is changes in the structure of body, there is changes in the shape of body. Like in male, the soldiers are become widened, the voice is cracked, the muscles are stiff. In case of female, there is enlargement of breast, there is changes in the shape of their body. But it means not that during or after puberty stage, a boy or a girl is ready to reproduce its young ones. If it happens in such a way, then a person can suffer from a lot of diseases, a lot of problems has to face to that person. Then there should be a proper time, there should be a proper situation to reproduce its young ones. There should be not or no reproduction when anyone will reach at the age of puberty. There is the development of secondary sexual characteristics. Secondary sexual characteristics has developed properly, but it means not that reproduction can occur. He or she is able to reproduce its young ones. But what does it mean? At the age of 13, at the age of 14, when there is the development of secondary sexual characteristics, then he or she can reproduce its young ones. But what will happen? There will be many type of problems. He or she has to face many types of problems in diet condition. So there is need to be healthy in a proper way. The reproductive health should be in a proper. Then what are the things which is responsible for the reproductive health? There are different type of things which is responsible for the reproductive health. If we know about the reproductive health, then we can say that reproductive health means it is the state of physical, mental, and social condition should be good. If there is the state of physical, mental, or social fitness to lead the reproduction, it is required that a person should be healthy in all the ways. He should be healthy physically, he should be healthy mentally or socially, because there are many type of problems created in the society. There are many type of problems which is created in the friend circle by the government agencies also. In that situation, it is necessary that health should be update. Health should be proper. A person should be healthy physically, mentally, and socially. Then there should be the process of reproduction to overcome from different type of diseases. So we can say diet reproductive health is the state of social, physical, mental, reproductive health is the state of social, physical, mental fitness to lead the reproduction. Lead the reproduction and satisfying reproductive life. So there is a requirement that a person should be healthy in all the ways. Without it, it is not possible that anyone can reproduce its own one. In early time, before 20 years, 30 years, boys and girls are married at the age of 13, 14 years. During puberty, they have got married. In that situation, what happens? They have no knowledge, they have nothing knowledge about their health, that they are healthy, they are matured or not. There is no knowledge of the society. They do not know about the health of themselves. In that situation, if they start to reproduce their young ones, then definitely they have to suffer from different type of difficulties, like due to insufficient knowledge of reproductive health, they have to suffer from the diseases. In a very early stage, if a female is get reproduce its young ones, then the mother and the newborn baby will also be suffer from the different types of difficulties, like many type of disease, because during puberty stage our body is not ready to reproduce the young ones. There is requirement different type of things which is not fulfilled by our body during the puberty stage. In that situation, there should be proper knowledge, there should be a proper time. After that, there should be reproduction to overcome from such type of problems. Suppose that if a person is not aware with their health in that situation, due to improper knowledge, there will be difficulties. If they do not know that what is the effect of the disease on the body, or if anyone is suffering from the many type of diseases which occur during the sexual contact, like there are many STDs, sexual transmitted disease, which can transmit from infected person to healthy person. In that situation, if there is not awareness, there is no knowledge of STDs, that such type of diseases are occur during the sexual intercourse, then what will happen? The disease can spread from infected person to healthy, healthy person. So it is necessary that there should be awareness, which comes rapidly when the age is increased, and there should be proper family planning, because there is the pressure from government side that the family, there should be limited members in family, हम दो हमारे दो की प्रक्रिया चल रही. In that situation, due to insufficient knowledge, if the number of family member will increase, then they have to suffer from many type of problem. Economically they will suffer, mentally they will suffer, or literally they will suffer. In that situation, there should be proper awareness, and there should be preventing of the sexual transmitted disease from a infected person to healthy person. Now we have,
Sir,
yes, now we have to study about the phenomena of limiting the size of female through the preventing of some pregnancies and special out of the birth of the child. Means we have to study about the contraceptive techniques by which anyone can overcome from unwanted pregnancy. There are some method, and to follow that method, anyone can overcome from the unwanted pregnancy. In that situation, there it is called as contraceptive techniques. There are different type of contraceptive techniques, and by using these techniques, anyone can overcome from the unwanted pregnancy, as well as they can be safe from the sexually transmitted disease. Then what are the things? What are the contraceptive techniques? Let us see. We have to study about the contraceptive techniques. What are the contraceptive techniques? Contraceptive techniques or contraceptive methods are those methods which is used by the peoples after the particular age, when there is proper knowledge, and by using these contraceptive technique, anyone can overcome from many problems. The first one is barrier method. The first one is barrier method. Faisal Naseem, why not you mute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Mute क्यों नहीं करते अपने आप को? You want to be removed? It is very easy for the teacher. मैं म्यूट करता नहीं किसी को और ना ही रिमूव करते हैं, बट from last 2 days 3 days I am saying the first one is barrier method. ये barrier method क्या होता है? As the word given barrier means suppose that if any unwanted things is about to come into the area where there is prohibition, in that situation there is a barrier, and by using the barrier that unwanted things cannot enter into the area without permission. So this barrier method is also used to overcome from unwanted pregnancy, and it is also used to overcome from the STDs, to overcome from the sexually transmitted diseases. Because when there is a sexual contact, in that situation a person can suffer from the disease if his or her partner is suffering from any type of STDs, any type of sexual diseases. Near about 30 type of sexual transmitted diseases are found. Near about 30 types of STDs are found. Anyone can suffer very easily. So what are the things by which he or she can overcome? That is the barrier method. By using the barrier method, a person can overcome from the sexually transmitted disease, and the barrier method is, or the mechanical barrier which is used is the second one is by using the chemical method. By using the chemical method. If we discuss about chemical method, then there is different type of pills which is used by the females to overcome from the unwanted pregnancy. And the third one is surgical method. Surgical method. We have seen about the methods kar lo, because there are different type of barriers, different type of chemicals and surgicals. Barrier method, chemical method, and surgical method. The other word we can say in chemical, in place of chemical, we can say the hormonal method also. Now we have to know about each of these one by one. First of all, we have to study about the barrier method. In case of barrier method, what happens? There is use of a latex based covering by the male, or there is use of the cervical cup by the females, due to which sperm cannot meet with the ovums, and a person can be very easily save himself or herself from the unwanted pregnancy. And it is the only and only one method, this barrier method is only the method by which anyone can be saved from the STDs. Except the barrier method, there is no other method by which anyone will save from the STDs, from the sexually transmitted disease. If anyone wants to protect itself from the unwanted pregnancy, in that situation, what will happen? Male or female can use the latex made material, that is a covering called as बाद में आइए. There is use of a covering on the genital portion of its body, on the genital portion, genitalia of the male as well as the female, that is called as condom. And by using that covering, people can be saved from unwanted pregnancy. What will happen? There will be no releasing of sperm into the genital portion of the females. And if there will be no mating between the male and female gamete, then there will be no fertilization and the person can overcome from the diseases. So this is a good method to overcome from the unwanted pregnancy, and it is also good to prevent itself from the STDs, to prevent from the STDs, sexually transmitted diseases. Okay. The second one is chemical method. The second one is chemical method. If we discuss about chemical method, then there are different types of pills. There are different type of pills or tablets which is available on the medical shop, is used by the females to overcome from unwanted pregnancy. To overcome from unwanted pregnancy, the chemicals are used by the females, and this is the good way to overcome from the different type of diseases. Mostly what happens in case of chemical substances, it is used by the women for suppressing the production of ova. When they used to take the chemicals or pills, then what is happened? The production of ova in the ovary is reduced. They suppress the production of ova, and when there is not production of ova in the ovary, then there will be no ovulation. In that situation, she will save from unwanted pregnancy. So what happens? But there is a problem. Suppose that there are many side effects of using the chemical method to overcome from the unwanted pregnancy. So what should be used by the people to do this? Before using diet pills, there should be proper precautions, or there should be prescription by the doctors that such type of medicine, such type of pills can be used or not. In case of using pills, what happens? There is hormonal imbalance in the body of females, and due to hormonal imbalance, because what will happen, as we have studied that in case of female there is releasing of progesterone and estrogen in the body of female, which play a vital role in the pregnancy. When anyone is using pills, in that situation, there is imbalance in the hormone. There is the hormonal imbalance. Due to hormonal imbalance, there is not production of ova in the ovary of female. Due to this, if there is not production of ova or ovum, then there will be no ovulation. And if there will be reproduction, there will be mating, there will be sexual intercourse in between the male and female. In that situation, the sperm will not come in the contact with the ova. In that situation, a female can be overcome from unwanted pregnancy. But mind it, by using the pills, anyone is not safe from STDs. If anyone have concept that by using the pills, a person can save from the STDs, then it is not possible. There is only one method to overcome from the STDs, that is the barrier method. There is the barrier method. In case of using the hormonal method, what happens? There, as we have studied, that there is imbalance in the hormones. In actual way, what will happen? When anyone use the hormones, in that situation, there is imbalance in progesterone and estrogen, due to which a female is able to protect itself from unwanted pregnancy. The next and last method is surgical method. If we discuss about surgical method, as the name given surgical, there is a surgery, there is a need of surgery. In that situation, suppose that if there is requirement of surgery, surgery is used for different things, for the two things. Suppose that if anyone wants to overcome from unwanted pregnancy, in that situation, the surgical method can be used and it is safe in case of other method. But it can also cause serious problem if the surgery is not done in a proper way by the doctor. If the surgery is not done in a proper way by the doctor, then the person, either male or female, have to suffer from the different problems. So there should be proper consultation with the doctors. We should have to visit to the best doctor to use the surgical method to overcome from the unwanted pregnancy, and this surgical method is used after the particular age limit. Suppose that if anyone have two child and they do not want more child, in that situation they use the surgical method, because if once they use the surgical method in that situation and again wants to reproduce its young ones, then it is very difficulty. They have to face the difficulty to conceive. So this surgical method is used after the particular age, whenever anyone have their child and they are doing the family planning, they are follow the rules of government कि हम दो हमारे दो. So in that situation, what will happen? In case of surgical method, there are two methods. One is vasectomy and other is tubectomy. What is this? Vasectomy. Vasectomy. And the second one is tubectomy. Vasectomy and tubectomy. Now we have to know that what is vasectomy and what is tubectomy. In case of vasectomy, we have studied that in male reproductive organ, there are the pair of vas deferens which carry the sperm from testis to the other reproductive parts of the body. In that situation, doctor used to cut the vas deferens and tie up properly, due to which the sperm cannot release from the testis into the other reproductive parts of the male body. And during intercourse, it cannot be reached into the female genital body, due to which a person can overcome from the unwanted pregnancy. Tubectomy, we have studied that there is fertilization in the fallopian tube of the female genital body, or female genital or female reproductive organ. There are the fallopian tube, pair of fallopian tubes. So in case of tubectomy, what happens? Fallopian tubes are blocked. Fallopian tubes are blocked. In that situation, when there is ovulation, then the ova is not transferred into the fallopian tube, and in this way a female can be saved herself from unwanted pregnancy. So we have studied that there are two surgical methods. One is the vasectomy and other is tubectomy. Vasectomy is used by the male partner and tubectomy is used by the female partner. In case of vasectomy, there is the cut in the vast difference and tied or nut due to which the sperm cannot release very easily. In case of tubectomy, the fallopian tube has blocked due to which the ova cannot release and it cannot meet with the sperms, due to which a female can overcome from the situation, from the unwanted pregnancy. And there are another method which is used by the females to overcome from the unwanted pregnancy, that is the loop and carpal T. It is given in your book. Loop and carpal T. Carpal T, loop or carpal T. Now we have to study about it. What is loop or what is carpal T? Suppose that students, there is a copper-based material in T. There is copper-based element in T shaft, and this substance is placed in the uterus of female body, which prevent the sperm to meet with the ova. But it is also cause irritation in the uterus or uterine wall of the female, due to which a female can suffering from diseases. It can cause the irritation in the uterus, in the female reproductive organ. And this carpal T is placed in the uterus of female, due to which the sperm cannot meet with the ova and the female can overcome from unwanted pregnancy. So this is the carpal T or the loop used by the persons to overcome from the unwanted pregnancy. These are the contraceptive techniques which is used by the people. Now we have to study about the STDs. We have studied. एक मिनट बेटा रुक जाओ, एक मिनट रुको. We have to study about the STDs. Wait for a few minutes. STDs, sexually transmitted diseases. There are some type of sexually transmitted diseases like gonorrhea, syphilis, AIDS, warts, etc. These are the diseases which is caused by bacteria. And these are the diseases which is caused by virus. Let us see. Gonorrhea and syphilis are the diseases that is caused ROHEA होता है गोनोरिया. स्पेलिंग देख लेना, GONORRHOEA, gonorrhea, and syphilis that is caused by bacteria. In case of syphilis and gonorrhea, there is irritation in the genital portion of the person, either male or female, which is caused by the bacteria. Suppose that if anyone is suffering from STDs, then and there is sexual intercourse in that situation, a healthy person can be affected. In case of HIV, that is AIDS and warts, AIDS को आप ऐसे लिख लो, AIDS that is called as acquired immune deficiency syndrome, or the wart. These are the viral diseases which is also caused by the sexual intercourse, or there are different way by which the AIDS can be transferred from infected person to healthy person. So to overcome from STDs, a person has to use the contraceptive technique, and there should be proper awareness among the people by which they can overcome themselves from the diseases. If now the chapter has finished, all the topics has taught. Now if I have to ask anything, then you can. अब यदि कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ लो बेटा।
सर
हाँ बोलो।
सर जो केमिकल मेथड है तो जब पिल्स को यूज करते हैं तो उसका कोई फायदा नहीं होता, तो क्यों यूज करते हैं उसको?
अभी ऐसा कैसे होता है, फायदा तो होता ही है, अनवांटेड टेंडेंसी नहीं होती। हाँ ये जरूर होता है कि नुकसान भी उसका हो जाता है, एडवर्स इफेक्ट। यदि हम अपने बॉडी के मैकेनिज्म को चेंज करेंगे तो इफेक्ट हो सकता है, ऐसा नहीं कि हो ही जाता है।
सर एक बार हार्मोनल मेथड बता रही थी।
हार्मोनल मेथड बताए तो हैं बेटा। हार्मोनल मेथड में क्या होता है कि देयर इज द यूजिंग ऑफ हार्मोन्स, देयर इज दिस hormonal method is especially used by the females. They have to take the special type of medicine in the form of pills, and that pill is change the hormonal balance in the body of female, due to which there is less secretion of the hormones like progesterone and estrogen in the body of female, due to which the ova cannot be prepared by the ovary. And if ova is not prepared in that situation, what will happen? There will be no fertilization after the intercourse also. Yes.
Sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir.
बोलो।
सर्जिकल मेथड बता रहे थे
सर
दो पॉइंट था। सर्जिकल मेथड,
सर्जिकल मेथड में पढ़े ना। सर्जिकल मेथड में क्या होता है कि इट इज यूज्ड
नारे
पीपुल। कौन है जी नारे और हारे? यार कितने बड़े डिसमैनर हो चुके हो दुर्गेश सिंह, इतनी भी सभ्यता नहीं है। सर्जिकल मेथड में क्या होता है बेटा कि मेल और फीमेल दोनों ही करा सकते हैं। मेल की भी सर्जरी हो सकती है जिसमें उसके वास्ट डिफरेंस को ब्लॉक कर दिया जाता है, काट दिया जाता है, जिसकी वजह से स्पर्म की फॉर्मेशन तो होगी लेकिन वो स्पर्म कैरी नहीं हो पाए, क्योंकि आप पढ़े थे कि स्पर्म को कैरी करने के लिए वास्ट डिफरेंस होती है जो उसको कैरी करके दूसरे रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट में ले जाती है। तो उस वास्ट डिफरेंस को ही काट करके और ब्लॉक कर दिया गया। इन केस ऑफ ट्यूबेक्टोमी क्या होता है कि जो फीमेल्स की फैलोपियन ट्यूब होती है जिसके थ्रू ओवा पहुंचते हैं, उस फैलोपियन ट्यूब को ही ब्लॉक कर दिया जाता है, जिसकी वजह से जो एग्स हैं वो नहीं पहुंच पाते हैं और फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं हो पाता है। तो ये सर्जिकल मेथड होता है।
और ये क्यों काट दिया, फैलोपियन ट्यूब को क्यों काट दिया जाता है?
इसलिए काट दिया जाता है कि यदि फैलोपियन ट्यूब नहीं काटा जाएगा और यदि मान लो इंटरकोर्स हो रहा है उस दौरान फर्टिलाइजेशन हो जाएगा तो प्रेगनेंसी कैन बी हेल्ड और फीमेल कैन कंसीव, वो धारण कर सकती है। तो इसलिए हमें उससे बचना है। बचने के लिए लोग सर्जरी करा लेते हैं जिसमें फैलोपियन ट्यूब को ब्लॉक करा देते हैं, या यदि मेल है तो वास्ट डिफरेंस को ब्लॉक करा देता है। अरे फैमिली प्लानिंग करनी है, हमारे दो के नियम का पालन करना है। यदि ज्यादा बच्चे होंगे तो उसकी खाने पीने की व्यवस्था कैसी होगी, उसकी स्कूलिंग की व्यवस्था कैसी होगी, उसको पहनने ओढ़ने की व्यवस्था हम कहाँ से लाएंगे? 10 बच्चे पैदा कर दिए तो उन 10 बच्चों को खाने पीने पहनने ओढ़ने पढ़ने की व्यवस्था हमें करनी है, कहाँ से करेंगे? इसलिए वो क्या कराते हैं, सर्जरी करा लेते हैं। सिंपली हम कहते हैं कि नसबंदी करा लेते हैं। yes?
Copper T.
Copper T is a device which is used by the female. Copper T is a device which is in C type.
सर कॉन्डम।
अरे बात भी सुनोगे। कापर टी एक डिवाइस होता है जो टी के आकार का होता है और कापर का बना होता है, जिसको फीमेल्स के यूटेरस में प्लेस कर दिया जाता है, जिसकी वजह से स्पर्म ओवा से नहीं मीट कर पाता है, नहीं मिल पाता है। तो जब नहीं मिलेगा फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होगा।
सर इसका कोई डिसएडवांटेज नहीं है?
डिसएडवांटेज है, यूटेरस में साइड इफेक्ट हो जाते हैं, इरिटेशन काज होने लगता है।